So right now, as you see, I'm currently in a workroom that I created. There are several styles, as you see. I can put my own logo up there. I can put my own poster. That's a picture I took in Nashville. And then there's another one over there. And as you see, this is my whiteboard right here, but I'm currently writing on my desk. So when I'm writing on my desk, what I do is I'm going to put this as a test. Hold on. I don't want that. I want that one. Okay. This is a test. And as you see on the whiteboard, what I write on here goes on there. So whoever's sitting like in the meeting, let's just say this person's sitting right on that end, because I can change my seats. Like I can change my seat. If I went to sit over there, I want to sit by the window, but I want to be at the front of the desk. So as you see, things change. So I was over there, but it won't let me show you. And now we're closer to the window. That's really cool. The most interesting thing that they have is the ability to use your computer, like my actual computer, not my VR headset, but my computer that I have docked to my desk right now. Like I don't have it connected to my VR. I don't have anything connected besides Bluetooth. So when I do that, let me make sure. I'm gonna turn that off. When I do that, I can go straight to my, what is it called? Desktop. So as you see, I've been working in Illustrator and everything, but this is my desktop. As you can see, I have Rhino up working, and you can do you see there's no lag? That is so crazy. So as you see, I'm connected to Quest 2. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and empty my trash bin. Okay, and that was the example. Let's see if there's anything else I forgot about. There's a clock there. If I raise my hand, I wonder what the other person sees. I don't know this. I haven't been in a space with someone else just yet. So share a screen. Yes, I want to share. So currently, anyone that's in this workroom can see my screen right up there. So for example, if I was teaching a Rhino class, I would just make sure that everyone is able to see this and see that, let's say, there go my cap. I was wondering where you were. Okay, so that was me sharing my screen, and then I don't know, but there we are. I'm gonna stop raising my hand. I'm gonna mute my mic. Unmute the mic. So since I'm sharing my screen, I'm going to hit stop sharing. Now it's no longer up there. From there, once I'm done with the meeting, I would leave. So, oh, this is the okay. I put it in breakout groups. I like the breakout groups better. It seems like a class setting to me. But you have the option to do conversation. So this is the desk. There's a meeting one. And last but not least, presentation. This looks like a lecture room. Let's see if it looks like a lecture room. Yes, only with one row. All right, so let's go ahead and see how that sharing is. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, room. And we're gonna exit. Well, meeting. See, no meeting scheduled here today. But if I wanted to, I can go online and schedule, which is really simple. Exit. Exit. And so I wanted to show you a way of inviting someone to this space that don't have a VR. So they're able to go through the meeting, join the meeting, and they're able to mic in and camera in, but they don't get the same experience as the VR user. But other than that, I still think it's cool that they can be in a meeting and you don't have to have a VR. This is my office, as you can see. It's at the lake.